How to fix for your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disabled. Solution 1. Update Facebook app. Open the App Store or Play Store on your phone. Look for the Facebook app. If you see an option to update it, just tap on Update. Solution 2. Clear Facebook app data. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on App Management. Tap on App List. Find Facebook in the list and tap on it. Tap on Storage Usage. Tap Clear Cache to clear some space without deleting your data. Solution 3. Adjust Facebook settings. Open the Facebook app. Log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, go to the menu page by tapping the 3 lines in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. It looks like a gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and look for Preferences. Then tap on Media. Make sure Open Links in External Browser is turned on. Solution 4. If the issue persists with a browser, try reinstalling the browser app. Log into Facebook again using this browser. Hopefully, the issue should be fixed. And there you have it. By applying these solutions, you should be able to fix the for your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disabled issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.